Now I will tell you three mantras or tricks related to math and scale. First is why, second why, and third why. If you have answer of this question why, then proceed to that task or do that work, otherwise you should stop. In that case, you may have your own opinion or logic which may differ from your fellow friends or even from your teacher. One may differ from others in way of thinking or in way of doing of work. This kind of liberty is essential in higher education. Different opinion and logic never mean that you are opposing the person from whom you are differing in thinking. A healthy, respectful exchange of logical opinions widens the avenue to reach the truth of science. Now come to a real situation. Here is a question. Draw a linear scale to rate 2 km on primary division and 0.25 km on secondary division when given RF is 1 is to 50,000. To solve this problem, first recognize where the actual problem is. Two things, one is ground distance and other is map distance. So what is known here is 50,000 centimeter on ground distance it's given and corresponding map distance of 1 centimeter is also given. Now another thing, 2 kilometer on primary division, that is also given in question. So what would be the corresponding map distance for 2 kilometer on ground distance? This is unknown. We have to find out this. So how? Recall the unitary method we have studied in school level. Ground distance is 50,000 centimeter. Therefore, map distance is 1 centimeter. And if ground distance is 1 centimeter, map distance is 1 by 50,000 centimeter. And if ground distance is 2 kilometer, that is 200k centimeter, then map distance is 1 into 200k divided by 50,000 is equal to 4 centimeter. So this is length of primary division on map. Now your task is almost done. What is left is the number of secondary division. What is that? Number of secondary division is the length of primary division on ground divided by length of secondary division on ground, that is 8. So your task is done. Now is the turn to draw the scale. So you need not to use 2 or 3 pages to answer this very simple, very little question. You need not to follow pre-decided 6, 7 steps to answer this question. You follow your own style, follow your own way of answering the question. And the only thing is that your way of representation, way of doing this problem should be logical and scientific. Suppose the number of primary division is 5 and the length of primary division is 4 centimeter. Therefore, the total length of the scale is 4 centimeter into 5 is equal to 20 centimeter. So to divide a line of 20 centimeter, we can use the graphical method after Thales theorem. Draw a line of 20 centimeter AB. Now draw another line at an angle of say 40 degree at A this way. Now take any length and divide this line into 5 equal parts. Join this point with B and draw some parallel line from each section and points where these parallel lines intersect every line will divide every line into 5 equal parts. There is another way of dividing this line of 20 centimeter into 5 equal parts. Let us see that. Let us take a line AB of 20 centimeter. Now use your ruler and mark 4 centimeter and divide the AB line into 5 equal parts. So your task is done. Now is the issue of liberty of thinking and liberty of doing work. Issue is that to divide a line of 20 centimeter AB into 5 equal parts, 4 centimeter is part. Should I follow the graphical method after Thales theorem, or should I use the ruler directly to divide the line into 5 equal parts? Why should I use the graphical method, or why should I use the ruler directly? We have to have answer of this why within us. I therefore request you always ask yourself, your teacher, what, where, when, how, and why. And don't stop until you are satisfied.